Hi boys and girls, I'm going to show you today how to find any work that you might be missing so that you can get it turned into me as soon as possible. So when you click into Google Classroom, you're going to click on classwork, and then you'll see on this page, you'll see something that says view your work. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to find in the left-hand column, you're going to see all, assigned, returned, and missing. Click on missing, and that will take you to a page that tells you all the things that you are missing and that you still need to turn in. On this page, you will see all the things that you are missing. Now, it might feel like, oh my goodness, I have so much work missing. This is what I would like you to do. Start from the top and go down and complete it that way. All right? The most important thing is to start at the top and go down. Start with this one, then go to the next one step at a time. If you did not do understanding mass and estimating mass, you can do that later. Everything else, start from the top, complete it, go to the next one. Start at the top, go to the next one, go to the next one, go to the next one after you've completed them. Okay? All right, I hope that helps.